Hello everyone, welcome to Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to give you the complete review and some answers at the end of this video for the last exam of IELTS which happened on 24th July 2021, just last weekend on Saturday. So I'm going to give you both morning and the evening slot exam review for 24th July 2021. So let's start with the morning slot. In morning slot, in listening, part 1, there were fill in the blanks and they were easy. For part 2, there were multiple choice questions and map, easy again. For the part 3 of listening, there were large multiple choice questions and some matching to do, and it was easy to moderate. And part 4, there were fill in the blanks in the form of note completion, so you have to complete this note, and it was easy again. Your overall listening for the morning slot was easy. Guys, there have been a mixed reviews that exam was very easy or a little moderate, but let's see. For the reading for 24th July morning slot, for the passage 1, there were true, false, not given and some fill in the blanks, and it was easy again. And the title of the passage 1 was related to human hormones. For the passage 2, the title was redwoods. It was related to redwoods, and there were list of headings, match the information and few fill-ups. And passage 2 was easy. Passage 3 was moderate. It's a mixed review. Some said that it was easy to moderate and some said it was little tricky for them. It was related to museum, and there were match the information, yes, no, not given and some multiple choice questions. Your overall reading for the morning slot on 24th July was easy to moderate. If we talk about the writing task, then for the academic task 1, there was a combination of a line and a table. Let me give you a topic which came for the task 1. So the graph below shows the cinema attendance in Australia and also shows the average cinema visits of different age groups from 1996 to 2000. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparison where relevant. So there was a table which gives you cinema visits of all age groups, and there was a line graph cinema visits according to age group. So this was the question for the task 1 for the academic in the morning slot. For the journal training in task 1, there was a semi-formal letter. And for the task 2, the topic was, some people think that in this modern world, getting old is entirely bad. However, other people believe that the life of old people is much better now than it was in the past. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. So guys, this was the morning slot for 24th July 2021. Now let's further move on to the evening slot. Well, in the evening slot, for the listening first, in part 1, there were fill-ups, form completion. They were easy. In part 2, there were selection of letters and they were easy again. For the part 3, there were large multiple choice questions and some matching to do. It was little easy to moderate. And for the part 4, fill in the blanks, easy to moderate again. Your overall listening for the evening slot was easy to moderate. Then again, it's a mixed reviews. Some said it was very easy for them. For the other, it was little easy to moderate. Further, if we talk about the reading in the evening slot, well, passage 1, the title related to Mario in New Zealand. It was easy and there were true, false, not given and fill in the blanks. For the passage 2, title future of food packaging, it was easy to moderate and there were fill in the blanks and match the information. And the passage 3 title was related to musical expert or musical master, how to become a musical expert. There were selection of letters and yes, no, not given, and it was easy to moderate. Your overall reading for the evening slot was easy to moderate. If we talk about the writing module, then in task 1 academic there was a line graph. In task 1 of journal training exam, it was informal letter. It was you have to write a complaint. For the task 2 for academic, the topic was schools are no longer necessary because children can get so much information available through the internet and they can study just as well at home. To what extent do you agree or disagree? But for the journal training, the task 2 topic was fast food is a part of life in some places. Some people think this has bad effects in lifestyle and diet. Do you agree or disagree? So guys, this is the review for the 24th July 2021, both morning and evening. And now I'm gonna also give you the sample answer for the both morning and evening task 2 topics. You can just go through them, have some ideas about it. And thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar. Thank you so much students, and whoever had their exam on 24th July, either GT or academic, best of luck for your results. I really hope that you all do great. Thank you students, take care and bye bye.